हरि ओम गुरुजी।
हरि ओम गुरुजी।
हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः, व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः, स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः, स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ओम अग्निनय सुपधाराहे अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वैरानि विद्वान् व्योध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्ते नममुक्तिं विदेम। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नरर हेಳಿ।
ओम आ ब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवत्सति जायताम् आ राष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूर इषभ्यो दिव्याधि रथो जायताम् दोग्धे धेनुर्वोढा नड्वान् आशुः सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णुरथेष्टाः सभेयो युवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो वर्षतु न फलवत्यो नवोषधयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
ओम आप्यायन्तु ममंगानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः श्रोत्रमतो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वब्रह्मोपनिषदं महं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत् अनिकारणमस्तु अनिकारणं मे अस्तु तदात्मानि निरतय उपनिषत्सु धर्मः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
हरिः ओम।
So thank you very much. But our Anirakaranamastu, Anirakaranamastu.
Bhogar, good morning, Andy.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Anirakaranamastu, Anirakaranamastu. And Tadatmani nirate yavupanishatsu dharmaha te mayi santu, te mayi santu. Found in the Chandogya Upanishad. But here, our retired Mala Papa or Artha Gottidre, he will not commit mistake. That's exactly what is our journey. Navella itara seritivi andre no, we have voice to pronounce, but we have to pronounce it properly so that we understand what we are asking and what we want to get hold of. So that's why we are sitting to make Parayana Adhyayana. Parayana is recitation going to the end of the, then Adhyayana is trying to study. So Nirakaranam means, we have laziness with us, and sometimes we will not be regular. We could be regularly irregular or irregularly regular. Therefore, that should not happen with the grace of the God. Therefore, Nirakarana, refusal and rejection or postponement. So, we want to worship or recite the mantras of the gods or higher people, and at the same time, they should also agree, accept our prayers. So actually it is a two-way traffic. We have to pray, we have to submit to them and our prayers, and they have to oblige and bless us in response to that. See, that is the object of our Veda. See, our Vedas always tell us that we have to look to us, we have to look to others. In others, gods also get included. So if we support God, they will support us. It is a beautiful understanding between the devotee and the deity. So devotee and deity are equally responsible. One is at the lower level, and one is at the higher level, in the sense that he is a giver and we are all recipients. And at times we are also givers, they are recipients. So if that kind of understanding comes up, then we are all friends. That's why you have already come across Devanam Sakhyami Yushe. So who can remain to be a good friend if you are good to him, and he responds, or he also reciprocates that goodness, then you are becoming something like Vali and Sugriva. No, but something like Sugriva and Rama. Therefore, when Vali and Sugriva were fighting, Valmiki says they were fighting like Buddha and Angaraka. I should ask an astrologer. Buddha and Angaraka, they came in a fight, and equal to that of the fight between Kuja and Buddha, so was the fight between Sugriva and Vali. It's a beautiful reference which I saw yesterday by reading Kashkandakanda. So I'm just trying to reflect to know, oh, what is that? Because the planets also are actually, okay, among the planets we have noted there are Shatrus are there, Mitras are there, and also neutral. So Mitra Kshetram, Shatru Kshetram, and so that's why we are all having a lot of changes and difficulties and prosperity as the grahas move in our horoscope. So that's why Rasi Chakra, then Jataka Chakra and Amsa Chakra and all that. So that's why my point here to talk so much is that generally we should try to know the meaning. Otherwise, you ask somebody to tell us the meaning, am I correctly reciting? So Anirakaranamastu, Anirakaranamastu. So please correct yourself, and you will be really doing good service. Thank you very much. You see, Veda mantra uchcharana madbekandre effort madbeku. You have to check your throat, because ordinary talk we always talk and shout, but when it comes to the Vedakshara uchcharana, then a great effort is there. That's exactly what is called a Vedasya Vedatvam. The Vedatvam of the Vedas are like that. So now we have been trying to know about Goddess Saraswati as we are studying it past several weeks, but this time we are starting from the, I think, 20th sloka we completed. But anyway, I just refer, I don't make you to pronounce. So here I repeat, Ayamute Saraswati Vasishtho Dvara Vrutasya Subhage Vyavaha Vardha Shubhre Stubhate Rasivajan Yuyam Pata Swasti Sadana. So you are making Saraswati to become good if at all she has got any difference of approach to you. Therefore, you are telling her as Subhage, Amma Saraswati, Nino Saubhagyavati. Nino, you are the Saubhagyavati, you are the most fortunate woman among women. And among the goddesses also, you are also a Saubhagyavati, you are a Sati, and Te Saraswati, and what we are Vasishtaha Dvara Vrutasya, and you know what she has to do for you when you call her Vyavaha. You should take down notes also now and then, because not depend on always the recordings that will be there. But when you take down, when you have the fortune of attending in person, that is called direct learning. This is not offline learning. YouTube is offline learning, and when we are sitting here, it is direct learning. That's exactly what is continued your Guru Parampara. Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya or Madhvacharya or Madhyamam Asmadacharya Parvantam Namami Guru Paramparam. So Guru Parampara has been live, and therefore you please make notes whenever it is. So here Vyavaha, V plus Avaha, Vyavaha. That V stands extra. See, normally Amma will protect us, but she will take extra care to us whenever necessity arises. But always we are having the necessity from mother. So mother is awfully careful. And we have already noted in the Apoishta mantra, Ushatiriva Mataraha. See, what is the nature of mother? They are always very anxious to take care of the babies or take care of the children. Even when the child is 90 years old, or even if mother is there, he is the most fortunate fellow. And you know, the 90-year-old lady blessed her son Sanjeev Reddy when he swore as the first citizen of the country. So that's a great fortune, not all people. But anyway, but whatever possible, we want she to protect us. And also not only that, Stuvate, Shubhre, Vardha, you have to also look after the prosperity and growth and enrichment of the gods and goddesses. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. We have to also wish that they should grow stronger because of our prayers. So, He Subhre Saraswati, He Subhage Saraswati, Stuvate, as we are trying to praise you, as we are trying to extol you and also enumerate the virtuous qualities in you, then what is that? Vardha, you please grow, become more and more prosperous, become more and more balayuktam. That's why we always say, Tanno Vishno Balam Pravardhatam, Naha Balam Pravardhatam, Vishno Balam Pravardhatam. You must have heard this sentence always. So not only, or otherwise you can interpret as Naha Vishnu Pravardhatam. Vishnu Nammavaru, Namma Devata, Namma Ishta Devata, and therefore Vishnu should grow prosperous. And why? Another reason is Rasi Vajan. Vaja are the different things that they are that we are wanting to get. Rasi means giving. So always blessing us with whatever desires, that is otherwise called as Ishtartha Siddhi. And you know, everywhere we say Ishtartha Paladayini, Ishtartha Paladayaka. So we don't want what we don't want. We want to be blessed with what we want. Then we feel happy. When we are happy, we made the gods and others also happier. So ultimately, you yam pata swasti sadanaha, sada, always you protect us. And again, next mantra, Sutti 1, because we have read it, I'm just trying to cover. Bruhadu Ugayishe Varcho Asurya Nadinam Saraswatim Ito. Please mark the splitting. Saraswatim Ito Mahaya Suvruktibihi Stomaihi Vasishtha Rodasi. See, Vasishtha Maharshi is one of the strong devotees of Goddess Saraswati. Because Vasishtha is Rajaguru. Vasishtha, actually the word Vasishtha means best, highly brilliant. Brilliant among brilliant is called as Vasishtha. So Vasishtha, and we have got Vasishtha and Arundhati. And we remember Arundhati star and more so Arundhati. So here Gayishe Varcho Nadinam Asurya. See, Asu is Pranagalu. Asu is the strength. So Asurya, I think She is the provider of life and substance to all the rivers. Nadinam. You know, you call that river Nadi anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the word comes, as you see, Nadi is Shabda. Yeah, when rivers are flowing, there is a nada. That Nadi nada is quite musical. That's why we have got the word nada. So Nadi and Nadan Godavari Varaya. Bhavabhuti in Uttar Ramacharitam drama, describing the Godavari river waters, he says Nadan Godavari Varaya. The Godavari river was, when Rama reached the bank of the Godavari, you know, we have got that Bhadrachalam. So Rama lived there also with Sita, and people believe that was the place where from Ravana abducted her. So that's the Rama story. Anyway, so Nadinam means the Nada Shabda, Nada. So that's why we love the river sounds. Nadinam Varchaha Surya and Saraswatim Itu Mahaya Suvruktibihi Stomaihi Rodasi. Suvrukti means noble behavior. Vrukti means the behavior, character and conduct. And Surukti is Sukha Vrutti, Sutaram Vrutti, Sushta Vrutti, which means that their doing will be liked by you. And behavior also implies the language, the conversation, the speech. For example, Anjaneya is best known for Suvrukti because he had to face different types of people, and everywhere he won his speech, in the sense that they became friends, and they did. When he met Rama for the first time, he spoke in such a gentle, affectionate manner. Rama and Lakshmana were just dumbfounded. Ascharya, what is this? Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Nakinchit Apasabditam, like that. In Sundarakanda, I mean in Kishkindakanda, there was that kind of appreciation. Like that, here Suruktibihi and Stomaihi. So Saraswati is being praised like that. And in the next mantra, you are 22nd, Ubhe Yatte Mahina Shubhre Andhasi Adhikshiyanti Puravaha Sano Bodhi Havitri Marutsakha Chodaradho Maghonam. So I think Muniraj is asking me, Nannannu pronounce ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಂತ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮುನಿರಾಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಉಭೇ ಯತ್ತೆ ಮಹಿನಾ 22ನೇ ಮಂತ್ರ.
ಉಭೇ ಯತ್ತೆ ಮಹಿನಾ
ಶುಭ್ರೇ ಅಂಧಸಿ.
ಶುಭ್ರೇ ಅಂಧಸಿ. ಶುಭ್ರೇ
ಹೇಳಿ. ಶುಭ್ರೇ ಅಂಧಸಿ.
ಶುಭ್ರೇ ಅಂಧಸಿ.
ಅಧಿಕ್ಷಿಯಂತಿ ಪೂರವಃ.
ಅಧಿಕ್ಷಿಯಂತಿ ಪೂರವಃ. ಅಧಿಕ್ಷಿಯಂತಿ ಪೂರವಃ.
ಸಾನೋ ಬೋಧ್ಯ ವಿತ್ರಿ.
ಸಾನೋ ಬೋಧ್ಯ ವಿತ್ರಿ. ಸಾನೋ ಬೋಧ್ಯ ವಿತ್ರಿ.
ಮರುತ್ಸಖಾ ಚೋದ.
ಮರುತ್ಸಖಾ ಚೋದ. ಮರುತ್ಸಖಾ ಚೋದ.
ರಾಧೋ ಮಘೋನಾಂ.
ರಾಧೋ ಮಘೋನಾಂ. ರಾಧೋ ಮಘೋನಾಂ.
So we have been repeatedly asking the gods and goddesses to give us riches, to give someone else riches. They will be more sharing that riches and helpful to society and people. So this is the kind of work which we repeatedly, because all these gods are very rich. Not only they are rich, at the same time they have the pleasant mind to share. Whoever praises them, whoever have got good opinion and appreciation and submission to them. Therefore, and moreover, you have to be always reminding who is so that they will try to catch upon that particular character for something. For example, when Anjaneya did not get up to bid how much distance he can fly or jump, all Vanaras were bidding 50 yojanas, 25 yojanas, like that, but nobody bid 100 yojanas. Then Anjani, Jambavan, he goes to Anjaneya, starts praising him, the power, you are Vayuputra and all that. Then Anjaneya became ready to jump. Like that, here also we have got to be repeating the quality, good quality, the noble quality among people. Then they will work for us. If you shout and if you show your authority, hardly you can get good work expect. But if you want good work done, grace to be given, you have to. That is the policy which our Veda mantras tell you. So that's what is called behavioral excellence, management issues. All these are there in the Sukha. That's why we say Subhre, Amma Mahatayi, you are absolutely Subhra. Subhra andre pure. That's why Sarva Shukla Saraswati. Ultimately, whenever you conclude your prayer, you see Saraswati, Sarva Shukla. All truth, she is pure. There is no black speck in her at all. There is no Lakshmi is black speck. That is, she has a problem. Lakshma Yasyaha Sa Lakshmi. Lakshma means black speck. Because why she is so? Because she has to be perambulating always. Chalayai Namaha Om, Chanchalayai Namaha Om. Like that, we make a compliment for her. But in case of Saraswati, she is absolutely Shubhra. Because as you go on attaching and studying and trying to know, unearth secrets, you will be able to go get on and on. So, Ette and Mahina, Shubhre, Andhasi, Adhikshayanti Puravaha. So that what is the character and power of Devi? She has got Mahina. She has got that strength and power in her. She will be always providing food, prosperity, luck, and bodha. Please remember, she is called also Bodha. Bodha Yitri. Next one, you are going to get Bodha Yitri Sunrutanam. Chadai Chodayitri Sunrutanam. Ee Saraswati inda namge ಏನು ಲಾಭ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಎನರ್ಜೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ she will activate them. That's why see Sano Bodhi Avitri. Sa yaru a Saraswati andre, not only Saraswati is Subhra, pure, speckless character, and she is neutral to all people, whether Americans use or Indians use or anybody who goes to the Shastra Devata. And that Devata will reveal, and she is beyond all Jati, Varna, Desha, etc. All these things are not there at all. Whoever touches a book, whoever submits, therefore Saraswati Namastubhyam. Like that, Varade, Kamarupini, we say like that. She is a Varada, giver. Therefore, here also in Veda, we have got the most important work as Avitri. Avitri means that she is the protector. She is the promoter. So all promoters are protectors to us. So Avitri, and what was a Bodhi? Bodha is trying to become agile. So agility, carefulness, all these important cautions have been given by Goddess Saraswati. See, Saraswati ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಷನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. If you touch the flame, your finger burns. ಅನ್ನೋದು caution. Like that, she will give you that knowledge. Never touch the fire. Never do. So Bodhi, she's Avitri, and not only that, Marutsakha, she is the friend of Marut. Maruts are the companions of Indra. Marut are the wind gods. There are 7 gods, Sapta Marutaha. And you know, there is a story. And brief, I want to tell you how Indra accepted the 7 Maruts as their companions constantly, because he just broke the Garbham of Diti, who wanted to get a son actually to kill Indra. But Indra, looking at seizing a mistakable condition in Diti, he entered and made that Garbham into 7 and she delivered. Then the mother became very unhappy that the Cheda has happened. Then Indra starts, excuse me, Amma. After all, she is also his mother. And for one, then she asked, how do you, what about the prosperity of these? Then he promised, I will accept them as my companions constantly. Therefore, Marutaha, Indraha, they are golden. Marutaschame, Indraschame, like that. So there are so many stories told about it. But anyway, but Saraswati is a flow. So even that energy in them is also this Marut Sakha. And what she has got to do. No, Saraswati in ಕರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. You all know that if you call somebody who by name, if he comes or she comes, immediately, why did you call? You should tell, oh, Togundba, idu madu, please do. So you have to assign. Same manner, our rishis also are giving work for our goddess. What is the work here? Maghonam Radha Choda. Amma, Maghonam, Magha andre for all sacrificers. Maghona andre sacrificer also. Another meaning is Indra. Another meaning is Shreshtatva. So Shreshtharagirovaru ellargu neenu Radha andre duddu, Radha andre sampada. So when you make prayer to Radha Krishna, it is Rukmini Krishna. That means you are making, or Lakshmi Narayana, they are all Dampatis. When they are Dampatis, that means say that you don't leave any secret to any one of them. Both of them know the secret that they should take care of you. That's the best policy. ನೀವು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ವೈಫ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ವೈಫ್ಗೆ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅನುಮಾನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೀಯಾ, ಏನು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಭಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The other way around also true. But if you ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ therefore we are advised always make namaskara when making Parvati Parameswara, rather the Dampatis together. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ತಾಯಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ, 2 ಸಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there will be the power of the blessings. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಧೋ ಮಗೋನಾಂ ಚೋದ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥನು ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡುವ ಯಜಮಾನರಿಗೆ you because normally the sacrificers are the rich people. They see manpower, money power, and God power, and all these powers are commended by a Yajamana or commended by the Maghona. Therefore, Maghonam Radha Choda. You know the word Choda. Choda kare anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Choda andre driver. So without driver, the car or engine, anything is useless. Therefore, without Saraswati Anugraha for the sacrificer, he will not be getting the rewards, awards, and all wealth. ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಹಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ is a combination of any and everything. In Durga Saptasati, you see first Charitam, Mahakali Swarupam to kill Madhukaitavas. In second Charitam, she is Mahalakshmi to destroy the Mahishasura and more. And in third chapter, Sumbani Sumbana, several Rakshasas to kill, Amma becomes Mahasaraswati. So Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, they're all, but ultimately all of them become Mahasaraswatis. Saraswati, you please remember, it is a flow. And therefore, here, Radho Madhanam Choda. I can keep on talking, but enough, I think you understood that we are making a job or function to her, that Mama, make the rich people richer, make the people rich, that they will be able to share their knowledge and wealth to all people, and thereby bodhi, there will be bodha. ಒಬ್ರು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬೋಧಿ, ಅವಿತ್ರಿ, ಚೋದ, ಅಂಡ್ these are all the verbs you see, that bodhi, avitri, choda, puravaha, and etc. will tell you that she is really very much friendly, supporting, and very close by to her, to us. Now I ask Reyes to recite Bhadramid Bhadra.
Om Bhadramid Bhadra, Bhadramid Bhadra.
Saraswati.
Krunuvat Saraswati, Krunuvat Saraswati.
Akavari chetati.
Akavari chetati, Akavari chetati.
Vajinivati.
Vajinivati, Vajinivati.
Grunana Jamadagnivatu.
Grunana Jamadagnivatu, Grunana Jamadagnivatu.
Tuvana cha Vasishthavatu.
Tuvana cha Vasishthavatu, Tuvana cha Vasishthavatu.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So happy you are also there and trying to understand the personality, the management in our personality and the qualities and all that, because you know Bombay University has got the motto or emblem. ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅವರು? ವೃತ್ತಶೀಲ ಫಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಸೊ ವೃತ್ತಶೀಲ ಫಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If you were to observe the stamp and seal of Bombay University, something like our Bangalore University saying Nahignanena Sadrusham Pavitramiham Vidyate, or our Vedadhyana Kendra having the emblem as Aganma Suri Jyote Uttamam. Surya Aganma Jyote Uttamam. That is Uttamam Jyotihi Aganma. So these are all the mottos for with which we have to strive hard. Here also Saraswati in Martha Dale Bhadram it Bhadra Krunavati. అమ్మవారు ఎప్పుడు కూడా భద్రాన్ని ఇస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సెక్యూరిటీ, సేఫ్టీ, ప్రాస్పెరిటీ ఇస్ భద్రం. See, the word Bhadram in Sanskrit has got many meanings. భద్రం కర్ణే విశృణుయామ అన్నప్పుడు అక్కడ భద్రం అంటే యజ్ఞం, భద్రం అంటే ప్రయత్నం, భద్రం అంటే safety and security. Like that, number of meanings are there. So whenever you hear sounds, you should not be terrified or startled. ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಭಯ ಬರಬಾರದು, ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಆನಂದವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಾಲನ್ನು ಲಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾದವೇದ. ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಶುರು ಎತ್ತಿ ಗಾನರಸಂ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಗಾನರಸ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ದಟ್ ಗಾನರಸ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಅದೇ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದವಾದ ಧ್ವನಿ. ಆ ತರಹ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸುಗಂಧ ಡಂಬರ ಗೂಗಾಟ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಡಂಬರ ಗೂಗಾಟ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಂದವಾದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭದ್ರಾ ಕೃಣವತಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು, she will be always doing all auspicious things. చదువుకున్న వాడు ఎప్పుడు పాడైపోడు. Nobody who is a scholar will not be under great trouble. He will always prosper everywhere. Vidwan sarvatra pujyate. That's why Vidvamsa Vidya Vihinaha Pashuhu Vidyavan Sreshtaha. Like that here also Bhadra Krunavatu Saraswati, Yaru ಅಂದ್ರೆ Saraswati, and Akavari Vajinivati Saraswati. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ ಇస్తున్నారు. The Vedic poets are describing the Murti Swarupam and also the Lakshanas of Devi in several manners, that if not, she forgets that when you once mention that, she become aware of that, or anybody for the matter. ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಕವಾರಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಜಿನೀವತಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಭದ್ರಾ ಕೃಣವತಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಚೇತತಿ. ಚೇತತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್, ಯಾ ದೇವಿ ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಷು ಚೇತನಾ ಇತ್ಯಭಿಧೀಯತೆ, ನಮಸ್ತಸ್ಯೈ 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 ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಮಹಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ಆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಮಹಾ ಕಾಳಿ, ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಮಹಾ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಚೇತತಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್, ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್. ಆ ಡಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಎನರ್ಜೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಮಹಾನಾರಾಯಣ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾತಮಕ್ರತುಂ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ವೀತ ಶೋಕ ಧಾತು ಪ್ರಸಾದಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿರ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 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 ಅನ್ನೋವಾಗ ಈ ಧಾತು ಪ್ರಸಾದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ತಮ್ಮ ವಾಜಿನೀವತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಡು ಚೇತತಿ, ಆ ಚೈತನ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ because of the influence of Goddess Saraswati, we are never lazy. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When you engage with your positive activity, you find the time to be how beautiful it goes away. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕಾವ್ಯಾಲಾಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿದ್ರೆಯ ಕಲಹೇನವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಭರ್ತೃಹರಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಬೇಡ. you make your 100 years of life, every minute is precious for us. We don't know next minute or next hour. Like that, here Saraswati is ekavachetati. And in the next line we have got the mention of two great maharshis who are the highest devotees to Mahadevi Saraswati. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಯ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪೋಭಿಕಾಮಾಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎನ್ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂಡ್ ತಪಸ್. ತಪಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಧರ್ಮ. ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇದ. ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ, ಧಾರಣ ಧರ್ಮ, ದಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪೋಭಿಕಾಮಾಹ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ಸೊ ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ, they are all very great devotees. And they are the devotees of three Sevatas, I mean Mahashaktis. Jamadagni Maharshi and Nodi, I think Lakshmi Devi gave birth for the Dronacharya. That's what in Mahabharata I think we get a reference. That is, they're all such a great people. Jamadagni, Parashurama also is there. So many people are there. who take the name of Jamadagni Maharshi is that, and Vasishtha. You know Vasishtha Maharshi, or in fact, the entire 7th mandala of the Rig Veda is called as Vasishtha Mandala. So what is the characteristic or lakshana of the 7th mandala andre yuyam pata swasti visadanaha anta prati ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ, ಓ ದೇವತೆಗಳೇ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ. See, the word swasti implies many more things. I think on 26th this month we are having one great Ayurveda scholars by name Nishi Arora. She is going to tell us about Charaka Samhita, the principles of behavior and conduct. And there, I hope we will be able to know much on all these things. Because Charaka, Susruta, they're all great people interested in the welfare of the people, in the sense that people should live without pain, removed of pain, happily, as long as they breath their life upon the earth. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ವತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಉಪಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿ he absorbed ತಾಯಿ in him. So like that, if we remember Jamadagni or if you remember Saraswati, matter the same ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. Something like in Lalita Sahasranamam, you are getting a beautiful expression. Lopa Mudra Architaya Namo Namaha. A Lopa Mudra, the wife of Agastya Maharshi, a Kshatriya woman, she has ranked high in the Sri Vidya, so much that Devi called Sri Vidya as a Lopa Mudra Vidya. And we have got Chandra. Chandra also is a great devotee of Sri Vidya and absorbed the Mahima and Karuna of Devi Lalita. So he is called Chandra Vidyaya Namo Namaha. So anta dodda maha sadhakaranna ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ they become our role model. See, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. Who is the role model? So Vishwamitra is a role model. Rama is a role model. So Jamadagni also is a role model. Why? Because he is one who is constantly stuvana. Stu means to praise. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಾಯಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಆದಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡು, ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಸುಖಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಖ, ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕ್ರೆ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು you'll start your conversation. So if they are remembering constantly, then in one way or the other you are really happy. So in that manner Jamadagni Maharshi is one. In the same manner Vasishtha Vatu. See, Vasishtha Vatu andre like, so Vasishtha Maharshi, Jamadagni Maharshi, these are all the great Maharshis, and you are going to get some more Maharshis also, because all our Vedic knowledge is available to us only because of the Rishis. Therefore, we have got Rishi Parampara, and our Buddhi is described as ಮಾಧವ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಆರ್ಷೇಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಷೇಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಋಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸಂಪದ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸಂಪದ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಸಂಪದ ಫಾರ್ ಋಷಿಗಳು? ದೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಹೌದೇನ್ರಿ? ಋಷಿಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ದೇ ಟಾಯ್ಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಲೈಫು, ಕಂಡೀಷನು, ವೈಫು, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, but they never exposed any one of them in that, but they only gave you knowledge, like good gurus. If you go to a guru, that guru will not tell nan ninne ella nidde bandilla, ಊಟ ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೇನು? ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಓ ಬಾ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಗುರುಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಗುರುಗಳು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಋಷಿ. ಅಂಡ್ they are also human beings. All human beings are known for number of changes and problems. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸುಖವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್, ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ. ಸೊ ವಸಿಷ್ಠವತು ಜಮದಗ್ನಿವತು. ಸೊ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಸ್ತುವಾನಾ. ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? ಗೃಣಾನ. ಗೃಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಡೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಣಗಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಗೀತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ತುವಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಗೀತ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಲಹರಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ, and our Veda mantras and otherwise are called gunagana. Of course, stotras also are gunaganas, but there is a small line of distinction between grunana and stuvana. Stuvana and gruvana. So there is a lot of characterization given to these two words in Sanskrit. But anyway, Jamadagni martane chennai haadtane. That is, he tries to enumerate something like Vishnu Sahasranamam. Then once you think of Vishnu, you don't stop until 1000 names of Vishnu are completed. And like that, Sahasranama is there, 108 names. So all that becomes a stotra of them. And when we make that Grunana or stotra, what are we targeting andre? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ whatever negativity is there, whatever evil mindedness is there, whatever bad thinking is there, that should evaporate. I am using the word evaporate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಟ್ಟೋಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೇಪರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕದು. ಸೊ ಆ ತರಹ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ and Vasishtha Maharshi, both of them are our that. And basically, why we think of them? Because Goddess Saraswati has chetati. She has sufficiently activated the eminence in these Maharshis, and therefore the same quality must also flow forth into us also, depending upon our levels. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ತಾಯಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ತರಹ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಉದ್ಧರೇದ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ನಾತ್ಮಾನಂ ಅವಸಾದಯೇತ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, somebody will come and give you. Nobody can correct the other person. One must have self correction, something like our body which has got auto healing system. ಈಗ ಪೇನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೇನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನು ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹಾಗೆ ದಟ್ ಆಟೋ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಧವ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಸೈಟ್ ಜನಯಂತಿ ಜನಿಯಂತೋನ್ವಗ್ರವಃ.
ಜನಿಯಂತೋನ್ವಗ್ರವಃ.
ಜನೀಯಂತೋನ್ವಗ್ರವಃ.
ಜನೀಯಂತೋನ್ವಗ್ರವಃ.
ಪುತ್ರೀಯಂತಃ ಸುಧಾನವಃ.
ಪುತ್ರೀಯಂತಃ ಸುಧಾನವಃ. ಪುತ್ರೀಯಂತಃ ಸುಧಾನವಃ.
ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಹವಾಮಹೇ.
ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಹವಾಮಹೇ. ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಹವಾಮಹೇ.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೇದ. ಸೊ 8 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು, 3 ಪಾದಗಳು, 24 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ. ಛಂದಸಾಂ ಮಾತಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಛಂದಸಾಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇದಗಳ, ಮಾತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಾಯಿ, ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ದೇವಿ ಒಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರೋ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೋಧ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ ತತ್ಸವಿತೃವರೆಣ್ಯಂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 10,028 ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಋಗ್ವೇದ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಉಪನಯನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಉಪನಯನಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ತಂದೆ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಅಕ್ಷತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ತಂದೆ, ಆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮನಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, 1000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ 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 ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ 5 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 1000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರನ್ನ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಟೈಮ್ನಿಂದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಹಾತಾಯಿ, ಜನಿಯಂತಹ ಪುತ್ರಿಯಂತಹ ಸುದಾನವಃ ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಹವಾಮಹೇ. ಯಾರು ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಇದಾಳೋ ಅಂತವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We invite always scholars to speak to us, is it not? Not any other person. ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರಿ, ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಹಾಸರ್, they're all very great scholars, making all people engrossed in the talk. ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ possessing that kind of flow, sharing the knowledge, making them elevated in their thinking. Therefore saraswantam ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹವಾಮಹೇ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. We are trying to invite. And what is the work of this lady? Janiyantaha, that is making people grow more and more, born again as scholars. And putriyantaha, I think making them also to continue their generations, to have good sons, noble sons. That's why in Taittiriya Upanishad, please follow my lectures on Taittiriya Upanishad YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಾಪ ಶೇಷಾಚಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಕೂಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯಾಯ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಧನಂ ದತ್ವಾ ಆಚಾರ್ಯಾಯ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ Prajatantum. Don't stop the Prajatantu. You should become a father. You should educate children. You should see that. That's why here is called as Putri Antaha and Sudanavaha. They should be Sudanavas. See, Su means Sukham. So Sudanavas means good Rakshasas. For example, all are good. They're all great Bhaktas. Even the Rakshasas are great Bhaktas. But for some mischief, some problem that they give to the society, they are being punished. In what manner they are punished? They are given moksha quickly. So our Sudan, that's why Dushta Dura, Durachara Shamani, Dushta Danava Bhanjini. In Lalita Sahasranamam, when Danavas, they are bhaktas to her, but when they become Dushta Danavas, see all the 100 brothers, Duryo, do ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ 100 ದುಷ್ಟರೇ, ಒಬ್ಬನು ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಪಾಂಡವಾಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 100 ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಯುದ್ಧ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗಾಂಧಾರಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಗಾಂಧಾರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನನಗೆ 100 ಪುತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಉಳಿಸ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವೃದ್ಧಾಪ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂತೂ ದೋಷ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿನ್ನ ವಂಶ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಶಾಪ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ that was so much was anger in a mother. Sons may be bad or good or different, but son is always lovable to any mother. Kuputro jayeta kochidapita kumata nabhavati anta Shankar make statement that there may be a bad boy but can never be bad mother anta. So ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸುಧಾನವರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಖವಾದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ದಿತಿಪುತ್ರಾಹ ದಾನವಾಹ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಿತಿಪುತ್ರಾಹ ಆದಿತ್ಯಾಹ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಿತಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಟೂ ವೈವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ. ಸೊ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ positive and negative people are there in the world. And so but positive power people are little weak, but powerful are the other people. But though because they are good people, they are able to outwit the bad people. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸತ್ಯಮೇವ ಜಯತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಸತ್ಯವೇ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಸ್, ಧರ್ಮಮೇವ ಜಯತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪುತ್ರಿಯಂತಹ ಸುಧಾನ್ವಂತಹ ಸರಸ್ವಂತಂ ಅನ್ವಗ್ರವಃ ಜನೀಯಂತಹ ಸಾಮಹೇ. So beautiful alva. So Saraswati has got multifarious power and same time ability to grant people and see that the society is well maintained. Raja generala ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು. In spite of that, because of number of reasons, karma, papa, punya, all these things, there is variation in the world. Generally vibheda ide, but basically all are looked after like children to the parents. Tande taayige ella makkalu onde. You cannot have any kind of difference. Avanu doddavanu inta enilla. All children are good. Aa taraha. And now please repeat next month Kulkarni. Yete Saraswati.
Ete Saraswati. Ete Saraswati.
Sorry. Ete Saraswa Urmayo.
Ete Saraswa Urmayo. Ete Saraswa Urmayo.
Madhumanto Ghrutashyutaha.
Madhumanto Ghrutashyutaha. Madhumanto Ghrutashyutaha.
Tebhirno Vita Bhava.
Tebhirno Vita Bhava. Tebhirno Vita Bhava.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Every time we are putting our request. Amma Saraswati, as the river, you be also our Abhita, the protector. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನದಿ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಊರ್ಮಯ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ವೇವ್ಸ್, ದ ರಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಸೊ ತೇಭಿಹಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಏ ಊರ್ಮಯ, ಊರ್ಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನದಿಗಳು ಬರೋ ಅಲೆಗಳು. ನದಿ ಅಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ, ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲೆ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲೆಗಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲೆಗಳ ತರ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಆ ನದಿ ತೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನದಿ ತೀರ ಇಸ್ ಮನಸ್ಸು. ಈ ಊರ್ಮಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆಗಳು, ಅವರ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೋರಿಕೆಗಳು ಬಂದು ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದು ಮಾಡು, ಇದು ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ. ಆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಲೇಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. All sorts of difficulties arise only because of the mind. But desires come every time they hit. That's why utpadjante niliyante daridranam manoratha. ಈ ಮನೋರಥಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಮ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಸರಸ್ವ ಊರ್ಮಯ. And how are the urmis? They are being characterized as ಮಧುಮಂತಹ, ವೆರಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ನದಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ನದಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ತುಂಗ ಪಾನ, ಗಂಗಾ ಸ್ನಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಗಾ ನದಿಯ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬಹುದು ಅಂಡ್ ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಗಾ ರಿವರು ವಾಟರು ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ತುಂಗಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಂಪಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಷ್ಕಿಂಧ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಹಂಪಿದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಆ ತುಂಗಾ ನದಿಯನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಈ ಸೂಕ್ತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಗಪಾನ ಗಂಗಾ ಸ್ನಾನ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಅಲೆಗಳು, ಈ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಮಧುಮಂತಹ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ಮಧು ಮತ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತರಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಲ್ಲದು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಟಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. therefore ಮಧುಮಂತಹ ಅಂಡ್ ಘೃತಶ್ಚ್ಯುತಃ. ಘೃತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ತುಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ತುಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಘೃತಂ ವೈ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಂ, ಘೃತಂ ವೈ ಆಹಾರಂ, ಘೃತಂ ವೈ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠಂ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಘೃತ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ all the oils, ghee is very expensive. kg ghee is expensive than any other oil, is it not? So tuppa rate yavaglu high because it has got multiple, and there is nobody knows the formula of the ghee. They will say it's a natural product. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲುಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ತುಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಅದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಬಟ್ ತುಪ್ಪ ಈಸ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. And therefore they have taken as an ahara for the gods. Tuppa illade we cannot do any sacrifice, because any offering you make gets a chemical reaction with tuppa. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಹುತಿಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ತುಪ್ಪದಿಂದ ನೆನೆಸಿರುವ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಆ ತರ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಊಟ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಭಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಷ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎನಿ ದೋಷ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ದೋಷ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ. ದರ್ಫಾರ್ ಅಭಿಕರೋತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಅಭಿಕಾರ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ ಅಭಿಕಾರ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್. ನಾವು ಆ ತರಹ ಘೃತಶ್ಚ್ಯುತಃ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಊರ್ಮೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ತೇಭಿರ್ನೋ ಅವಿತಾಭವ. ಅಮ್ಮ ತೇಭಿಹಿ ಊರ್ಮಿಭಿಹಿ, ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ripple, I mean sweet waves or urmes, you please be our protector. Supposing the river is in spate, you are advised not to go to river for bath. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಶಿ is flowing gently, then you can go and take bath and all transaction you can make with the river water. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬೆನಾರಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ the Ganga river was in spate, ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So they put notice at each ghat saying that please don't enter, because ಮಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, moreover during Shravana Masam, you are not, I told you, you are not supposed to take river bath, because that's a menstrual time for the rivers. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು river bath is not recommended. So among 12 months, only 1 month is not recommended for taking bath in Shravanam, but in other all 11 months you are supposed to take bath. Anyway, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವಿತಾ ಭವ, please be like that. And next mantra please repeat. I hope you understood all meanings of the word. So ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಪದಗಳೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಿತಾ ಭವ ಊರ್ತೆ ಯೇ ಊರ್ಮಯಃ ತೇ ಊರ್ಮಯಃ ಅವಿತಾಭವ. ಏತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್, ಏತೆ ಯಹ ಸಹ ಅಂಡ್ ಯತ್ತು ತತ್ತು, ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನೌ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟಿ.ವಿ. ಶರ್ಮ గారు చెప్పండి. ಪಿಪೀವಾಂಸಂ ಟಿ.ವಿ. ಶರ್ಮಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಪಿಪೀವಾಂಸಂ
ಪಿಪೀವಾಂಸಂ.
Yes, 2 times.
ಪಿಪೀವಾಂಸಂ
ಸರಸ್ವತಸ್ತನಂ
सरस्वतस्थनं सरस्वतस्थनं
यो विश्वदर्शतः
यो विश्वदर्शतः यो विश्वदर्शतः
भक्षीमहि
भक्षीमहि भक्षीमहि
प्रजामिषम्
प्रजामिषं प्रजामिषं.
So ishtu tanaka we have been introduced to the idea of power, the generosity, the grace, the function, quality, personality, appearance, etc. Now she's a mother. Saraswati is a mother, and as a mother, what we can expect? Her milk. So we are all children to her. So navella devara makkalu. So devara anugrahaದಿಂದಲೇ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. So though we have got for our physical purpose some everybody has got parents like that, but parents ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾತಾಯಿ ಆದಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮಾತಾ. Therefore here there is the reference to the saraswatah stanam, ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿ యొక్క ಸ್ತನಂ. And how is that breast? And we get a beautiful, we want to enjoy or suckle. Pipi vamsam is suckle. See, like a baby suckling mother's milk. So we are all like that. That's why the word papi amsam means drinking the milk from the breast of the mother. And that too Vishwadarshata and Isham Bhakshimahi. Isham means food, ahara. So one kade halu andre ನೀರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಆಹಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ we are highly dependent babies, and we cannot eat, we cannot do. So we are being trained how to suck. Sucking is the first one. So you have to suckle the milk from the mother, and afterwards all other functions are being taught to us: munching, biting. So biting also is later pick up, because if the baby gets the first tooth, it wants to bite everything because there will be some sensation. So we have seen, we have all gone through that kind of childhood and we have forgotten that. But anyway, our rishis make us remember that mother and son, mother and child affection, the cow and calf, that is the standard comparison in our Veda, cow and calf. That's why we call it the Vatsala. Vatsa is the calf. Vatsalya is affection. So Vatsalya Bhava, Vatsalaha, Vatsalyam, all that talks about the mother's love to the cow. Sorry, to the calf. So even sometimes the cow is so motherly. Actually, after some time, 6 months or so, the mother makes the cow as his mother or her mother. So lifelong cow is a mother. Like that, here also, water is our mother, and she has that kind of provision. So Saraswatah stanam pipi vamsam and isham bhakshimahi prajam. So in order to make ourselves the best devoted children to Goddess, we have to get food and nutrition from Tayi Saraswati. So food and nutrition also form an important factor when you consider Adishakti Swarupini Saraswati as our mother. Something like in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna talking all about yoga. In 17th chapter, he talks about the kitchen welfare. So kitchen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಆಹಾರ ತಯಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ವಾಹಾರ, ತಾಮಸಾಹಾರ, ರಾಜಸಾಹಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು. Even Shankaracharya also, when he made so many stotras, he has also talked about the kitchen and menu. ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ನೈವೇದ್ಯ ಇಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ common needs to all bhaktas, all people born on the round. Therefore, we have got in this beautiful sloka or mantra that Isham Bhachi Mahi Saraswataha Stanam Pipi Vamsam. So we have to suck the very nutritious milk from my mother Saraswati, and at the same time enjoy food also from her, like that. So this is what is the most beautiful description of Goddess Saraswati, looked after as the mother, as the river, purifying any and everybody, all water, all rivers, and she is Subhra. So I think today we conclude here, and next we continue from next month. And this is a very wonderful thing. And meanwhile, I'll say that this Ambitame Tame Jetame mantra has been explained by somebody, and it is posted, I think, in our Nada Veda group. Just read that. And so this is one of the best mantras. Which next one is Abhitame Tame Jetame. You just recite this mantra when you want to offer kunkuma in the Alankara section of Devatarchana every day. I will explain more about this mantra. Kunkuma mada kodbeku taige Alankara andre devrige you kunkumam samarpayami ambitame name anta helbittu idi kunkumam samarpayami anta kunkuma haktare. So kunkumakke ee mantrakke ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ application bantu, what magic is there, what connection is there, that we in our mantra, our next class. Okay, thank you, Sri Ram. Om Tat Satu.
Sahana